What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a little screwdriver key. I went ahead and I took an old screwdriver, fit a key in there, and I can use a screwdriver as a key for my bike. I went to Goodwill and I picked up some screwdrivers. Don't go digging through your dad's toolbox. Go ahead and pick some up for cheap. I'm going to go ahead and make one for my TW. I'm going to use this key right here. You're going to go ahead and take your designated key. Look at the level it sits in the ignition. Sits at right there. Hold the key down with some pliers. Go ahead and take an angle grinder. Cut it down so it's straight. You're gonna go ahead and take a torch and heat this up, the inside of it, and you're gonna go ahead and pull it out with a pair of pliers. There you go. That part's out. You're gonna take a piece of sandpaper and sand this part down. You're gonna insert it. Once you got it in there, it should be pretty secure. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just put some super glue in there and just let it sit. Once you got it super glued and let it dry, if you want, go ahead and sand it down. Once you have everything sanded down, you should be good to go. Go ahead and insert. Test it out, see if it works. There you go. Now you have a screwdriver key. On this one I made for my XT250, I went ahead and I drilled a hole, added a little key ring, and I put a lanyard on it. You can go ahead and do the same. Drill a hole straight through it, add a little key ring, and you can have a little keychain and whatnot. Quick little video for today. Just wanted to show you guys that you can go ahead and do it for your car, do it for your truck, do it for whatever you want, your motorcycle. Just thought it was a neat little thing to share with you guys. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, guys, peace out.